Hi everyone, my name is Adrienne. Thanks for clicking on my video. If you're new here, hi and welcome. I make food related content here on YouTube. I'm also the mom of 2 extremely picky eaters, so if you need dinner ideas to cook for your family, including picky kids, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you. I am starting out this video with my 1 skillet chicken and green beans. Here's a look at my ingredients. I'm going to season up my chicken breasts with some all-purpose seasoning and then heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large cast iron skillet. I will brown my chicken on both sides, and then I will add a little bit more olive oil and add my green beans, and then I will make a pan sauce out of some chicken stock, garlic, and lemon. And kids score, they ate the chicken. They weren't a fan of the green beans, nor did they like the mashed potatoes I served with it, but that's pretty typical for my kids. My husband and I really liked it, and what's even better about this meal is that it's one pan, so it's easy cleanup. My next meal is one of my all-time favorites, and it's chicken piccata. You will need some butter, some capers, white wine, and lemon to make the most delicious pan sauce ever. If you've never cooked with capers, oh my gosh, they are so good. They are briny and salty and absolutely delicious. And then I'm going to make what my kids call crispy chicken, which is chicken coated in panko breadcrumbs, and they really like that. I mean, who doesn't like that? It's delicious. And so I'm going to take a half a cup each of panko and then flour, and then I will season it up with some ranch seasoning mix and all-purpose seasoning, and then I will also make an egg wash out of 1 egg and a splash of milk, and then I will dredge the chicken in the egg mixture and then into the panko breadcrumbs, and then I will set it on a wire-rimmed rack, and then I will heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a nonstick skillet and brown it on both sides. Place it in my oven just to keep it warm while I make the pan sauce, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. As my chicken warms in my oven, I'm going to melt down 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I will add the juice of an entire lemon and a splash of white wine, maybe about 1/4 cup, and then I will add in my drained and rinsed capers, and I will raise the heat a little bit and let it simmer and thicken. And kids score, my picky kids did not have any of this sauce, which was just fine because more for my husband and I, and they love their crispy chicken, just plain and simple. And then my husband and I, we had a nice big side salad, and everyone was happy, and this was absolutely delicious. My last meal for you this video is 3-ingredient pot roast. You will need a pot roast, some onion Lipton soup mix, and some better than beef bouillon. In this case, I'm using chicken just because that's what I had in my fridge. I'm going to take a heaping tablespoon of this better than chicken bouillon, actually not beef, and this package of onion soup mix and about 4 cups of water, and I will put it in my microwave to kind of combine all the ingredients. And then I've heated up about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a cast iron skillet, and I will season up all sides with this all-purpose seasoning. And then once it's browned, I will add it to my slow cooker. And this is a meal where you can kind of set it and forget it. My daughter, my picky daughter, really likes roasted broccoli, so we had some roasted broccoli and mashed potatoes from earlier in the week. And that's it for my video. I hope you guys can get some dinner ideas. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe. Bye, guys.